Today we're going to be making a Christmas tree with a little star on the top, and there we go, our Christmas tree. So what we need is one of these, and don't worry if you don't have one, but it's just because we need it a bit thicker for the branch so it doesn't not really flimsy. But if you don't have one, don't worry. You can use your fingers if you don't have one, but I like it because sometimes it hurts my fingers, but don't worry if you don't have one. You can use 2 straws stuck together. You can use your fingers. Yeah, you can use whatever you like. So we need this. We don't need any S-clips. We need 2 yellow loom bands, lots of green loom bands, and a couple of brown ones. So we've got all of our colours. So first of all, we need to get this and get 2, and then put them on your whatever you're using crust. Put them on crust, and then put 2 of them on top, over and over, and repeat that step, but it shouldn't be too long. So remember to use 2. Just gonna repeat that step, but don't do it too long. Okay, so I've done it this long, so just stretch out a couple of times, and you want to get one more brown one, and just put that on. Make it easier to do the next bit. Hook that over. Okay, right. Pull these 2 out like that. See? Push. It's out. Okay. Now you want to get your fingers and just go like that. You want to get your 2 yellow ones, put them through. I've done this step a couple of times, but we're going to do this. Through, get this side, and pull. There you go. Yep. Okay. So that's our stock. So keep that to a side. And then you want to get this and just make a little one, and then just carry on making a couple of big ones. So it's like a little one, and then make it a bit bigger, and then a bit bigger. But as soon as you get to the end of one, put a finger over. Do what we did to the star on the Christmas tree. So you just want to thread it through like this, and then we don't have to use an S-clip because it's all nice and tight. So make a couple more of those, but not too many. So I have made lots of these green lines with all ties, so there should be no S-clips. So get your tree trunk and then get the very top one and just pull it so there's a gap in it. And then you want to get your smallest one and thread it through. You want to get your next one, do the same. Make sure it's all going in from the same side. So I'm going in from the side here, not the front, the side. Just make sure you stay on the same side. So just threading these through. There we go. So, last one. So, there there should be a gaff at the middle, a gaff at the bottom, but there is your Christmas tree. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.